Hi guys, my name is Kate, welcome to my channel. If you ever wonder how to change your eyes color in Spark AR, I got two news for you. One is good and one is bad. The good one is that yes, you can do it. The bad one, Instagram doesn't support this effect, so you can only upload it on your Facebook account. But don't close this video, wait! I really believe that the situation will change very soon and Instagram will allow us to use this effect. So, don't you want to know how to do it? And why don't you click on like and subscribe button yet? Do it. First of all, go to the description below and find the link to the Eyes Tracker, download the project and find this file, Iris FBX. As you, my dear subscriber, already know, this is the 3D object, and also we need some kind of eye lenses. I found this one, we're going to use it. Alright, let's create a new project. Let's import our 3D iris here. Alright, and now we need to create face mesh and face tracker. And add our iris, but we need to do it twice. Because guess what? We have two eyes. No offense to pirates. We need to drag and drop these objects on our face mesh. And let's rename them. Right. And left. The reason why we need a face mesh here is that our pupils and this color on our eyes, it will be covered in a natural way, so they're not visible when someone blinks. You can add a texture to this face mesh, but you need to create a material, of course. Create new material, and you can simply change the opacity to 0. Okay, now let's open our patch editor, view, patch editor, and create a patch from our face tracker. Alright, click on face tracker, find face output, and create eyeball patch. Alright. And here we have iris position, eyeball center position, eyeball rotation. And in this case, we need iris position and eyeball rotation. So select our right object and create two patches from position and rotation. And do the same thing with the left object, position, rotation. Alright, now let's connect right with right, left with left, rotation with rotation, position with position.
What the fuck is this?
Okay, good. Whew. Let's change this face to this one. Alright, so now you see that our 3D object is quite big. We can select and change its size. Okay, much better. And now we need to add our texture. To do that, click on the right, click on this sign, find iris, and here we have the material. We need to change it to another material, create new material, select this material, and here we need to select new texture and select our eye. Alright, good. We can change the opacity a little bit. Good. And we need to select the same material for the left eye. Alright. And that's it. Looks pretty good. Using this tutorial, you can change your eyes color and create some creepy filters and funny filters. I hope this video was useful, and if so, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon!